In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a hosting or domain to InfinityFree. First, you want to go to InfinityFree and choose the website which you want to add a hosting or domain for. And here you should see no domains on this account. If you don't see this message, I will leave a link to another video of mine about how you can remove the temporary domain. And you will just click on Add Domain. Here we want to choose Add Custom Domain, and this is going to be where you type your custom domain name. So we're going to go into Hostinger, then Domains, and just get your domain name from Hostinger. Paste it here and click on Verify Domain. Once you verify your domain, you will need to create a name server. So here what we have to do is go into Hostinger, open this up, then you will go into DNS/name servers, and you want to click on change name servers, and you will then again click on change name servers, and you want to change it to this. So the first one is going to be ns1infinityfree.com, and you will do the same ns2infinityfree.com here. So you can just do that, boom, just like that, and you will click on save. Once you do that, we will need to add a CNAME record as well. So the CNAME record is going to be this. So here we will choose manage DNS records, go to CNAME. It is going to be, okay, so this. So what we have to do is paste it here. The name is going to be this one, like that, and you will click on add record. Once you do that, then you will click on add domain, and that's just going to verify the ownership, and that's how you connect Hostinger to InfinityFree. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.